Right, so today is the 3rd of May and we're up at the Oasis in San Luis because today is the 3rd of May and it's the 5th anniversary of the Brits Living in Spain. So they're doing a YouTubers Meetup here, which we attended last year. There'll be loads of YouTubers. You'll have Brits Living in Spain, obviously. There's us, there's Between the Lakes, Tales from the Cave Side, Get Me to Spain, I think Millie's Moments is coming, the Salty Pixies is coming, which is also Salty Pixie. They're in a band called The Cages, which I would say is probably the best live band in the area at the moment. So if you get a chance to go and see them, go and watch them because they're absolutely fantastic. So we'll just get sorted and go inside and we'll get a cold drink. We're up here in the Oasis at the YouTubers Meetup, and there's a load of channels here. So we've got Tales from the Cave Side here, Immigrants on Tour here. Most of them are really good. They put their t-shirts on, so we know who we're talking about. So we've obviously got Mike and Yvonne over there, Between the Lakes, Tales from the Cave Side, Immigrants on Tour, Mountain View Farm over there in the back. Then over there you've got, I think it's Neil and Sue, Get Me to Spain, Brits Living in Spain, and then Millie from Millie's Moments, and then Yaz from the Salty Pixie channel. It's also got another channel, can't remember the name of the other channel, Stranger Couple is the other channel, and they're the person, or Yaz is the one that's in the band called The Cages. Like I say, if ever you get the option to go and see The Cages, go and watch them, because it's probably the best sort of rocky type music band, live music band that's in the area at the moment. So, and there's a few other people lurking around whose faces I recognise. Martin over there, I don't recognise him from Facebook. So obviously you've got Jessica just about to sit down there, along with Alvaron, Bob and Helen. So there's a load of us here. Andy Bending, someone's here, as normal.
With some information.
I see you got that.
What's that?